Hello everybody, it's Tim again. Welcome back to what I'm basically calling the anti-MLM Rant series. This is, I believe, the third video in this series, and today's video is for invitation marketing. Remember, these are not review videos. I'm not going to give them that kind of time. This is just essentially here's the name, I've tried it, run the other way because it's crap. These are basically just consumer warnings more than anything. Today's video is invitation marketing, another website created by garbage humans, because this one is very, 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 very much marketed as, the poorest of the poor people need to be here. We're saving the world. We're going to save your neighbors, but of course we need you to go out and recruit these poor people because we don't want to do it. What you're looking at is actually the so-called back office of invitation marketing. Part of their whole, we love everybody, we're going to save everybody mentality, I believe, is that they push the LGBT angle a lot, which I think is why their logo up here in the left, I think it's the reason why it's so multicolored, because they're trying to make it look like a rainbow flag. But anyway, they want to target anybody like every other MLM does. The whole thing is, you sign up. I can't remember if it's free or not. I believe it is completely free just to sign up, which why wouldn't it be, because you don't get anything anyway. So, the generations would be the people you recruited. I will tell you, there actually used to be people here. Actually kind of happy to see nobody's here anymore, because that means that they wised up too and they left. So that's good news in my book. So now the whole thing with this is I think we all kind of know what the MLM formatting is at this point, right? You just recruit everybody under the sun that you can find, and supposedly you're supposed to make money. Well, the only way that you make money, supposedly, the way you're supposed to make money on this, is this thing called campaigns. These are basically just different websites that these people own, and when somebody buys something or pays for something on one of these sites, then you make a commission, which is bullshit, because all of these websites, I've looked at all of them, and guess what? They are also crap. They're just garbage websites with a bunch of empty promises, the usual deal. It's just garbage. That's all it is. So yeah, they're not another one, that doesn't want to call itself an MLM, but it is, because the whole idea is you recruit as many people as you can, and eventually you may or may not make money. Spoiler alert, you're not going to. So what they really want to do is just get their name out there and their brand out there, and they want to get all these people into their machine so that they can then continue peddling other crap that is useless to everybody you pull into their stratosphere. So that's all it is. So invitation marketing, run the other way. It's an MLM. It's BS. It's just complete garbage. So take my advice. Don't fall for it. Anyway, that's it. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.